Hello, beautiful people. It's Cinderella. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're back again with another video. And today is still about the Justin Baldoni and the Blake Lively. We're going to read this together from E Online or E News, which is quite interesting. And this is talking about settlement. So, I've got a question. Do you think they are ever going to settle, or you think they are not? Let me know what you think about it. So we're gonna check this together, and I would love your thoughts, or read this together rather, and I would love your thoughts and your contribution at the end of the video. Let's dive right in. So it reads: Justin Baldoni's lawyer addresses possibility of reaching settlement with Blake Lively before trial. Okay, do you think they're ever going to settle? Because obviously I believe at this point one party already knows that lots of information that are revealing will not be beneficial or is not beneficial to their side, and it seems like lots of interesting things, maybe just maybe they don't want lots of other information to get out there, especially what they do, how they handle business or how they conduct themselves. They maybe not want those to be revealed, but let's see how it goes. Do you think they're gonna settle? It reads, or it continues, adjusting Baldoni and Blake Lively legal team continues. The Jane the Virgin alums lawyer Brand Friedman addressed the possibility of reaching a settlement before the matter goes to trial. Updated 12 hours ago. Oh, it's been updated? It's been updated. Okay. It ends with a settlement. Think again. Amid the legal saga involving the Justin Baldoni and his It Ends With Us co-star Blake Lively, the John the Virgin alum's lawyer Brand Friedman shared why he feels the case is unlikely to be resolved before it goes to trial in May 2026. Okay. Okay. I don't see the possibility of settling coming around, but maybe, just maybe, somebody may finally come to their senses and realize that. Are you sure you want authorship? Because this is not in the movies where you can author something. This one is in court. Oh, in court. It reads, or it continues, Justin has been destroyed by this. Friedman said of his client during the March 12th episode of the podcast, The Town. This is a really serious thing, and in this day and age, the only way that you can truly get back is to prove your innocence. That's what we're actively working towards. So that may only be able to be done in a courtroom. I agree, sir. While host Matt Belloni argued that the intense public interest in the matter and the damage to both sides would incentivize a settlement for both parties, Friedman saw things differently. You keep referring to it as a circus, and I get it. The attorney countered. But the reality is, this is not a circus where you go through an experience like this. As Baldoni's legal team with legal As Baldoni's legal war with Lively, which includes lawsuits filed on both sides accusing the other of a smear campaign, rages on, the Gossip Girl alum and her husband are applied for a protective order earlier this month to keep sensitive information out of the public realm. A judge subsequently approved a modified version of the order with a partial attorney's eyes only, the highest level of confidentiality in legal proceedings, according to legal documents viewed by E! News at the time. These are the people. While Friedman argued that the request was overboard and unnecessary, Lively's legal team celebrated the ruling, saying it would ensure the free flow of discovery material. With this order in place, they said in a different statement to E! News, Ms. Lively will move forward with the discovery process to obtain even more of the evidence that will prove her claims in court. For a full timeline of Blake Lively and Justin, I'll keep reading. Okay, all of this 4 months about. I don't think we are. Um, I think we already know about all of this. I'm more concerned what Ilela said. Okay. December 2021. This is the timeline. I think they're just giving us the timeline overboard of this. But I think in addition, blind screamer and love interest shared a screenshot of complaint. Okay. Then this is also another timeline. Okay. This one is quite convenient, very convenient. Okay. Okay, we are looking for the part if they are gonna settle, but it seems like this is just giving us a timeline overview of their legal war or legal battle. But let's keep going, just maybe. Okay, these are the timeline. I think we already know about this or a lot about this. So January 16th. Okay. We're still in January. We're still in January. Let's move on to March. We're in March, right? Almost the end of March. And okay, judge in pauses discovery. Okay, this is the end. Okay. So far so good. These are what we got so far. But again, um, do you think they are ever gonna settle or this is gonna go to trial? Or because it seems like one party is more concerned to prove about or prove that there was a smear campaign against the other party, and that is what they are majorly concerned about right now, because they just can't imagine that they are not liked. Okay, there is a video here, right? Let me see if we can play this video to hear what they've got to say for us or what they've got to tell us. Let me play it, right? Okay. Okay, let's play it.
Justin has been destroyed by this. The company, the individuals at the company. This is a really serious thing.
Justin Baldoni's lawyer is addressing any possibility of Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni settling before trial. Amid the ongoing legal battle between Justin and Blake, the actor's lawyer Brian Friedman shares during the March 12th episode of the Town podcast the odds of the case being settled before going to trial in May of 2026.
Justin has been destroyed by this. The company, the individuals at the company. This is a really serious thing. And in this,
yeah, it is really serious. It is serious, and his career is at stake. So, I mean, is his career and reputation we're talking about here? It's at stake.
in age, the only way that you can truly get back and is to prove your innocence. It's not be found guilty. It's to prove
Yes.
your innocence. And that's what we're actively working to. So that may only be able to be done in a courtroom.
And while the podcast host believes there are incentives for both parties to settle, Friedman sees things differently.
I just think that the potential for the circus and the damage to both sides here will ultimately win out and you guys will settle. So if that's the case, then why not just settle now? What is the number? Like what would it require to make this go away, just to stop?
So, you know, Matt, you keep referring to it as a circus, and I get it. You see a lot of cases, you see a lot of things, and you do a great job. But the reality is This is not a circus when you go through an experience like this.
As Justin's legal war with Blake continues, the Gossip Girl alum and her husband Ryan Reynolds applied for a protective order earlier this month to keep sensitive information out of the public realm. A judge then approved a modified version of the order with a partial, quote, attorney's eyes only, which is the highest level of confidentiality in legal proceedings, according to legal documents viewed by E! News.
Okay. That's practically what we actually just um read as well. But again, it's about him proving his innocence, right? And clearing his name and his reputation and his family, because his family is at stake. His name is. Think about the possibility, right? And what this has done, taking a toll on his family, his friends and loved ones, and all that. He needs to clear his name. SH claims against a man is no joke, especially in this day and age. But yeah, let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Do you ever think they're gonna settle, or you think it's gonna go to court or get to trial and all that? Let me know what your thoughts are regarding this. I would love you to share that in the comments below. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that stuff. And until next time, see you in the next video.